Hey, this is the Nemesis Coop, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your head unit in your Rav4. Now, we're going to be replacing it with a brand new head unit, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to remove and replace it. Now, you don't need any kind of like special keys or anything. You don't need any special like inputs or reprogramming or anything. It's just plug and play. So let's get right into it. First things first, you're going to want to remove this black panel here behind the head unit itself. Get yourself a clip tool such as this and pry up right here. Now it is held in with a bunch of clips on the back side, or I should say the bottom side. Comes out relatively easy. I actually found it was easier to go from this side and pry up on it on that side. And then the whole thing just, worked. I worked my way around and pop the whole thing off. Next things next, there are going to be two 10mm bolts right here on either side. Go ahead and remove those. Once you have all four, two on either side of the 10mm bolts out, there are going to be four clips that go in this way on either side. There's going to be two clips on this side, two clips on this side. You just got to kind of work it out, but it should pop right out. So essentially what I did was I worked either side. I grabbed both sides of the head unit, kind of wiggled it, pulled a little bit. You can pull the whole thing and it slides right out. So there's two of the clips on this side and two of the clips on this side. And once you have everything out, you're going to go ahead and disconnect every single connection. Once you have the old radio out, you're going to go ahead and remove these two 8mm bolts for the holding bracket on either side of the radio and swap them over to the new one. And once you have your bracket swapped over, you can go ahead and redo all of the connections and slide the head unit back in. Just make sure that you line the clips up and it should click right into place. Once you have that done, go ahead and put the two 10mm bolts on either side back in. Once you have them back in, put the cover back on, clip it right into place. It should clip down just like that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video helped you out. Catch you guys next time.